So now we're going to show you a few more advanced features of invoicing in Xero. So there's two other things that I just wanted to share with you. The first is you can set up repeating invoices. So what that's good for is if you've got things like retainers or repeating invoices, what you can do is you can set up an invoice where it will automatically be created, and if you want, be sent to your clients every certain period that you want it to be set up. Now, I've already shown in previous video how to create the invoice, so I'm not going to show you that part. The part that I'm going to show you is this repeating section. So what you do is, let's say you have a retainer and you want to send out the invoice on the first of the month, every month. What you would do is, you would say, repeat this transaction every month. Invoice date would be the first of the month, for example. Due date could be 7 days after either the following month, day after the invoice, or the current month, day after the end of the invoice month. So we would normally put days after the invoice. You can put an end date if you want to. We won't for this situation. Now, these three are the key things you just need to keep in mind. Now, if you select save as draft, what that means is that it will create the invoice, but it won't approve it and it won't send it to the client. If you select approve, what Xero will do on the first of every month is it will approve the invoice, but it won't be sent automatically to the client. Now, if you select approve for sending, what that means is it will create the invoice on the first of every month and it will email it out to your clients, which you may prefer to save you a bit of time. Thank you very much.